Okay, so got this tattoo shop here, and I'm gonna get these 1 second handheld. Here we go. Kind of cool. There we are, 1 second handheld. Oh, okay, I thought this was a semi. Okay, here we go. Yes, I like that. This is so neat. Okay, so we are back out here, guys. It is Ricoh Wednesday, and look at that. I don't know if you can see that, hopefully. That's pretty cool. Just gonna take that shot right there. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, I just reset the ISO to about 1200. I'm sorry, 1250. So we've got 1250 ISO. We are at f8, which I can certainly bring that way back down to maybe 5.6 and 1/80th of a second. Very cool. Okay, we're gonna go to 3200 ISO. Get this shot here, see what we get. Okay, pretty cool, pretty cool. We'll see. Again, we've got kind of, well, it's trying to focus there, because I've got it on pinpoint focus or spot focus. Just gonna bring that back down there. I want to get the tree in there. Don't worry about the cars. There we go. Okay, but what ooh, that's very cool here too. Okay, so we're gonna get this tree right here. Very neat. All right. So because we've got street lights behind the tree, almost like hanging like a Christmas tree. It's kind of cool. Let's see, right here, this fills our frame right there, and I'm using pinpoint focus, not anything else. We've got a bridge here. I'm not sure how that's coming out right now. Now that probably won't. Okay, I don't really. That's fine. We'll deal with it. What I'm trying to get here is this row of lights. I'm at a local park, and it is chilly. But it is December, and I'm here in a sweatshirt, so we got about 50 degrees out. Temperature's dropping. Okay, not here. So this is gonna have to go way down to probably about I'm doing handheld, so 1/50th of a second. We'll go down to 4.5, and I'm probably gonna have to go on down to 6400, which doesn't bother me. Okay, so here we go. Very neat. Don't know if you can see the JJC thumb grip there, but that's enabling me to hold this, although I am holding it up like that. Get a good focus. Handheld. All right, and let's see. Well, I can't really get these in a row. I can get them there, not really in a row, but that's okay. And I don't want to get too crazy with it anyway. Okay, it's going vertical. Let's do a horizontal here to okay, I'm gonna come back here when it's snowing or something like that. That'll be very cool. Or rainy, but it's pretty chilly right now, so we're gonna see what else we can come up with here. I'm gonna go to some retail parking lots, and we're gonna get some photos there. Okay, now we've got this, I'm gonna try to get inside this, well, not get inside the post office, but take a shot. Kind of a neat photo here. And I don't know if I can grab this or not. It's kind of cool. Let's see, this would probably be too close. I'll probably have to cross the street. Of course, there's a million people across the street. And I'm gonna set my ISO back to auto. There we go. Okay, now I need to be out in the middle of the road, basically, in order to get this shot. So let's see if I can do this without, okay, here comes the car that way. Boom, here comes the car that way. Okay, I'm gonna go on down to 1 second. 1 second, you can see it there, 1 second at F10, ISO 400. All right, and I'm gonna get the whole building in there. kind of cool too, but here we go. Okay, here we go. Guy coming. There we go. Some taillights. I'll make sure I'm not blowing out the inside. That's very neat. Comes some cars. Boom. Headlights, taillights. Here we go. Missed that one. Headlights, taillights. Nope. Everybody's slowing down when they see me here. So I'm trying to get, no, that's cool. That's very neat. All right, I'm trying to get the, oh, okay, I thought this was a semi. Okay, here we go. Yes, I like that. This is so neat. Well, why not just walk on down the street here? Okay, so got this tattoo shop here. Okay, but that was a little too, I'm too far away. Let's see, I'm gonna get a shot straight on here. See how this goes. Okay, here we go. Let's see, we're at 1 second, F10, ISO 400. Got some colorful lights there, so let's see if we can get some cars passing by here. And got some going both ways, very neat. See if I can get it right here. So here we go. Very cool shot. Here we got this guy coming. Focused and... Okay, takes them longer than a second to get through there, of course. So, okay, now we got a line of cars coming this way. So we get focused on the building, and boom. Oops, okay, focus, and, what am I doing? Okay, here we go. Focus, and wait for a car to come, and go. Yes, here we go, and go. Okay, we got a big truck coming, so I'm gonna get this truck. Look at this big truck as it comes by, so we're focused, and the truck is turning. Of course, the truck is turning. Dang it. Okay, well, we didn't get anything there. Okay, so we got what we needed there. And a couple more places I want to stop and see, but mainly just wanted to get a couple shots there in the downtown area, which we got. Very cool. Very cold as well. We'll see what we come up with. Okay, so let's see. I don't want to get kicked out of here, but this is kind of a cool thing. The sign is messed up here at Roscoe's Tacos, and it's only tacos. So I thought it'd be kind of neat to get a shot of this. 1 second, F10. Here we go. Maybe it didn't, I don't know. But actually, that wasn't the view I wanted. So I'm going to go up because I want to make sure I get this shot. So I'm going to go up to about a 30th of a second. We don't need F10. We can go way down to 4.0, and we can take our ISO way up to 6400 because who cares? And here we go. Nice. Nice, there we go. Okay, actually I'm going to get way back over here on the street, and it'd be great if there was more lighting in the front, but it's very dark. So, okay, here we go, 1/25 of a second, handheld, F4, take another one, hoping that this comes out, focus on the sign, pinpoint focusing on the sign, there we go. Okay, okay. I'm gonna get the whole sign open. Because if you get like the P or the D or the E or the N, I don't think I got it. So let's make sure. Actually focusing on the sign itself. Here we go. Open. I don't know if I got it or not. Okay, that was kind of cool. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this one. Please like, please subscribe. Let me know what you think of the 1-second handheld feature here with IBIS and the Ricoh GR III. And don't forget to check out our Facebook group, DozierGraphic. Go check it out. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one.